We all know how to create a YouTube channel, how to customize a YouTube channel, how to upload videos. But we made a mistake when upload our videos and we don't get views. If we know how to upload videos correctly and get more views, then our YouTube channel will rank soon. So viewers, in this video I will show you how to upload YouTube videos correctly. Viewers, in this video I will show you how to upload YouTube videos. Viewers, you are watching Tahsans Unique Tech YouTube channel. I am with you, Tahsan. So let's start the video. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like this video, share this video with friends, give your feedbacks about the video in the comment box, and smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.